Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get an SBA loan for your small business. An SBA loan can be helpful if you need funding to start, grow, or support your business. The SBA does not usually give the loan directly. Instead, it works with approved lenders like banks to make it easier for small businesses to get funding. So to start, go to the official SBA website and open the lender match page. So this tool helps you connect with lenders that may be interested in your business loan requests. Once you are on the page, click the option to find lenders, and after that, answer the questions about your business, such as how much money you need, how you plan to use the funds, and try to be honest and clear because lenders will use this information to understand your requests. And before applying, it is also a good idea to prepare important details like your business plan, credit history, financial information, and how you can plan to repay the loan. So this can help to make the process smoother when a lender contacts you. After submitting your information, SBA Lender Match will connect you with possible lenders. And from there, you can compare their rates, terms, fees, and requirements. And once you choose a lender, you will complete the loan application directly with them. And that is the basic process for getting an SBA loan for your small business. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.